This is Brandon with Mountains of Sound Home Inspection, and this is a 1-minute home inspection. Okay, here we are. We're in this crawl space. We're out here in this townhouse in Federal Way, looking around. Typical crawl space. It's got a nice little headroom here, actually. You can see down here we got some insulation falling out of the floor, so that's pretty normal, pretty common. Not a lot else going on here. We do have a few little droppings, rodent activity. And if there's leaks, typically the leaks come from a joint. See a joint here. I saw that yesterday in a house, a joint leak in a drain pipe. No leaks here, but if you look mid-span here, got a little water pooling up. There's no joint here. That's a little weird, right? Turns out this pipe is in contact really tight with the foundation. The pipe over the years has been rubbing or hitting on this foundation. It's caused it to crack. So we got a little bit of water now leaking out. A lot of home inspectors are not going to look for that issue mid-span. That's where you're going to want to have a good experienced home inspector. Brandon with Mountains of Sound Home Inspection, signing off. See you on the next one.